In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale images with Higgsfield AI. We'll walk through the complete process so you can turn a low-resolution image into a crisp, high-quality version that's ready for sharing, printing, or detailed editing. Start by heading to the Higgsfield website, logging in, and selecting your account. Once you're in, look for the Upscale tool under the Image section. This is where all the enhancement magic happens. Next, upload the image you want to improve. You can drag and drop or use the Upload button. Higgsfield supports common formats like JPEG, JPG, PNG, and WebP, so most files from cameras, screenshots, and design apps will work just fine. If possible, use the best original you have rather than a compressed copy to get the most out of the upscaling. Now choose your settings. First, pick a model. The Topaz model is a great default for general enhancement, restoring clarity and reducing noise while keeping the image natural. If you want extra crispness and the option to guide the look, choose Topaz Generative. That model can produce sharper detail and offers creative reinterpretation via a text prompt if you want to influence textures or features. Keep in mind that the generative option can be more stylized, so it's ideal when you're aiming for a bolder, more defined result. Then select your scale factor to decide how much to increase the resolution. For example, 2x is a safe choice for web and social use, while 4x can be better for prints or heavy cropping. Larger scales can reveal more detail, but may also emphasize flaws in very low-quality originals, so match the scale to your needs. When you're ready, click Generate to start the process. You'll see a side-by-side comparison to evaluate the improvement. Take a moment to zoom in on important areas like faces, text, and edges. Look for balanced sharpness, clean lines, and natural textures. If the image looks a bit too smooth or too sharp, it's perfectly fine to switch models or adjust the scale and generate again until you're happy with the result. Finally, download your new high-resolution image and save it alongside the original. Consider using a clear file name so you can tell versions apart later. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. With these settings and a quick review, you'll consistently get professional-looking upscales from Higgsfield AI.